guys, welcome everybody. I'm gonna try it again. This is the suburbs of the great city of oh my god, I again forgot the name. Arzamas. And I'm in the suburbs of the city. So let's go check it out. Nearby, our bus is leaving. I think I got some time. So let's go check it out. What we have here? We got people parked any way they want. You got apteka stores, and this is like I can see from my window. The city center, but I was pretty far. So guys, so this is day 6 for me traveling all across Russia, all the way to the suburbs of, all the way to the edge of city of the European and Asia. Check out the doggy here. Both of them. 2 dogs. You got typical Soviet suburb buildings. This is maybe, well, basically probably 80s. Beautiful Sunday morning. Hello, Marco. Hello, everybody. And fairly good, decent benches, because usually in Russian suburbs or let's say some city suburbs, they look a bit rough. Oh, kitty, man. Идешь сюда? Эй! Идешь сюда? Эй! Ой, ты домой? Ну что ты? Дверь закрыта, скоро откроют. Я не живу тут. Эй! Да. Чему ты говоришь? Потом откроют, чтобы... Стой. Не, откроют скоро. Alright, I wanted to let her in. Somebody's gonna come out and she's gonna go in. It's alright. This is normal. They let cats go around. And this is Arza. You can see there's some problem. Check out the title. Write me in the comment. What's the city's name? Arzamas. Let me see just through here. Are they leaving or not? And I want to go around this building at least and show you the city edges of Provincial Russia. Differences with the bigger cities. This is like 5-story building, and usually there would be like current in St. Petersburg are 20 plus stairs, floors. Oh, and it's super hot, super hot. I guess there's bad internet as well. And very peaceful. Looks nice, looks clean. And this is 106,000 people, provincial city. Simply beautiful. I'm gonna try to re-release this later. Typical thing that local babushka or a lady work on. So let's go inside the suburbs right here. Yesterday, if you want to see the city center, which was epic, guys, the city was epic. It was so beautiful. I was shocked. And this is a small town. This is a small city, 100,000 people. And check it out. Very спаси сохрани. Russian Orthodox thing. Wow. You get some karamushka, how you call it. Alright guys, let's go through here. I love it. The only difference with bigger cities, you won't have these type of roads in the suburbs. These are old, beaten. You won't see this type of parking. That's very provincial. And also, guys, I don't know, I know you cannot smell this, but the smell is very like we in the countryside. That is something that I remember from my grandma's place, which is provinces in Provincial Oblast, that I filmed like a month ago, guys. A month ago on my channel. That is so cool. This is for mattresses, mattresses. You can wash and leave them. Of course, some balconies look very worn down. Some put just, metal scrapes on it. Not scrape, metal scrap or metal covering, that's all. There you can see some kind of a side building. And these are all Soviet, guys, like 100%. It's wonderful. I had to go back actually. A little bit of bad internet with my Tele2, but outside city center. But, well, I will post this later as a part of my travel vlogs. Don't tell me I cannot go through there. Whoops. Nope, I can't. The problem with Russian suburbs is you might leave the area and you don't know when you're gonna go out of the neighborhood of this courtyard. Trash area, very common. There you go, guys. Beautiful. Birds singing. This is like typical suburbs. There's you got smaller houses. Hold up. Is everybody down or not? Anyways, I'm continuing this road trip. Next phase on the day 6 of my road trip from Helsinki, Tallinn, Narva, Ivangorod, St. Petersburg is Большое Boldino. And I think I have to run. Just in time. Alright guys, this was epic Arzamas suburbs. Check it out. Okay, bye bye y'all.
Наверное, была
Нет,
Что нас так мало?
Подождите.
Они на другом автобусе уехали, да?
У нас еще 5 человек.
5 человек.
Вчера же полный был. Да.
Ну, сейчас я позвоню.
8:40 у нас написано.
8:40.
Нет, 8:30, 8:45 с другого автобуса.
У нас 8:40.
Там два метро. Right, bye-bye, yeah.
Нет.
Нет, мы не можем